Is he necessarily questioning the need to uphold the Constitution or whether the Supreme Court is saying that he has to bring Kilmar Abrego Garcia back to the U.S.?
Well, there are a number of different issues here. There is the general issue, and most lawyers, including his own Secretary of State, Marco Rubio, has said that 14th Amendment is very clear. It says all persons within the U.S. are entitled to due process, not citizens. And so he can say 4 times, I don't know, but those brilliant lawyers who work for him and federal judges have repeatedly said that due process does apply to everyone. One federal judge appointed by Ronald Reagan just a week ago, Harvey Wilkinson, in Richmond, said that the president is asserting a right to stash away residents of this country in foreign prisons without the semblance of due process. That is the foundation of our constitutional order. Now, Trump will argue, as he did in that interview with Kristen Welker, look, I ran on this issue of immigration. I was elected. I promised to deport all of these illegal aliens, and that's what I'm going to do. And he's correct about that. He did run on that issue, and he did win the election. And his immigration policies are popular with the American public, as our polls at ABC show. But against that is the question of how do you carry out a political mandate legally? And that's where the clash has come, because court after court after court has said that no matter who you're trying to deport, they deserve due process. They have Fifth and 14th Amendment rights. And that means you got to give them hearings. You got to give them appeals, even though that infuriates the president.